What is up? So I just heard about a project. I literally stopped what I was doing and said I've got to hop on here and make you all aware of a Polkadot project. As they would usually say, a gem. This could be a diamond. Polkadot projects have been blowing up. You know, as Polkadot touted as the next Ethereum killer. I'm not sure about that, but I know what Gavin Woods and his team are doing is phenomenal. All these different parts of the Polkadot ecosystem continue to blow up. There's been 20x's, 50x's, 100x's. So obviously, anytime you get into a pre-sale or something like that, your chances of getting those gains are going to be astronomically better. So, what am I talking about? This one is so big because it's oracles. Chainlink has been on a tear this year. So after Chainlink, we've seen other ones. We've seen Teller, we've seen API 3, DOS Network, Band Protocol, and obviously following Chainlink's success, these oracles have taken off like crazy. And obviously if you get in at the beginning, you can see where you get those, 30, 40 X's. This is an oracle, Acria Network. Not only is it an oracle, it's an oracle on the Polkadot network. So if nothing else, the hype centered around that is going to be humongous. But this oracle's approach is different in that with the other oracles where there's a middleman, there's not a middleman here. The data comes directly from the source of the data, which means it's going to be more accurate, obviously, less chance for inaccuracy rather, and it doesn't pay to give bad data. Matter of fact, it costs you more to give bad data than it does to give the good data. And obviously with oracles, it's all about getting real world data on chain. But what's magical about this is that it's coming directly from the source. So I'm just now reading through the white paper. I haven't even finished reading through it completely. But I didn't want to waste any time. I just want to explain to you about this project. And anyone who knows about Polkadot knows that it's going to probably be big. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't take my advice. Do your own research. But I wanted to point you to where you can learn about this project. There's literally 2 videos on YouTube currently about it. I learned about this project from Donovan Jolly with DIY Investing. I've been listening to him for some time now, and I've always gotten good information from him. So I'm going to put a link to his video in it. I'm going to put a link to the video, and it's a short one, of the creator of Acria Network. And right now, if you were to get it today, I'm not sure how long it lasts. The original purchase price is 15 cents, but today you can get it for 7.5 cents. So they're giving you double. And to get into this project at the ground level, I really think it's going to be. I really think it's going to be big. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a link below on the white paper. You should obviously read through it, see what it does. It explains everything, network fees, the whole 9. And then I'm also going to put a link to those 2 videos. And in DIY investing, it'll tell you exactly what you need to do if you do want to get this. But I do urge you to do your research first. But I want to stop what I was doing and bring this to you because you may have a chance to get in on an oracle at the ground floor. And if you've seen what Chainlink has done this year or the past year, you already know. And with Polkadot being red hot and us being in the bull market, look, at least do your research on it. This may be an absolute diamond. I don't want to call it a gem. So there you go. Hope you like this information. I know I didn't give you much information about the project. I will do another video where I do that. But, in crypto, it's the essence of time. So what I wanted to do is at least let you know about the project. And since I know there's a place you can get it with DIY investing, and like I said, I don't know Donovan, but hey, he's got information that could be good for you. So that's what I'm here for, and I'm going to bring it to you. I hope you like this video. I hope you'll subscribe. comment, ask me any questions. And by the way, $200 minimum on the investment. So that is something you should know from the get. And hit the bell for notification, and I'll see you next time.